If you want to collect structured answers in your form, multiple choice questions in Tally forms are really useful. In this guide, I'll show you how to add multiple choice questions in Tally step by step. First, log into your Tally account and open the form where you want to add the question. You can also create a new form if needed. Next, click on Add Block or just start typing a new question inside the form editor. Now choose the multiple choice option from the question type menu. This allows users to pick one answer from a list of options. Next, type in your answer options. For example, options like yes, no, or maybe, or anything relevant to your form. You can also customize your question settings. You can make it required, so users must answer before submitting. Tally lets you display multiple choice answers as a list or buttons, depending on how you want your form to look. Before publishing, preview your form to make sure the multiple choice question looks clean and works properly. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your multiple choice question is now live and ready to collect responses, and that's how to add multiple choice questions in Tally forms. So it's a simple way to make your forms more structured and easier to analyze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.